Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Honda Odyssey. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch. You'll need a few basic tools, including a ratchet, sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Having these ready will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Next, we'll tackle the serpentine belt. Find the tensioner pulley, which usually has a square opening for your serpentine belt tool. Apply pressure to release the tension, then carefully slip the belt off the alternator pulley. It's a good idea to sketch the belt's path or take a photo before removal to help with reinstallation later. Now it's time to disconnect the old alternator. You'll see a few electrical connectors and a main battery cable attached. Unplug these carefully. Then, remove the mounting bolts that hold the alternator to the engine block. Once all bolts are out, gently wiggle and pull the alternator free. It might be a tight fit, so take your time. Finally, let's install your new alternator. Carefully place it into position and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them properly. Reconnect all the electrical connectors and the main battery cable. Then, using your diagram or photo, route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly. Double-check all connections before reconnecting the battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.